What you see behind me is Sunburnt dented, abounded Audi A4 Quattro 1997. So this old man comes to us to get our help, to get back to the life. I have to strip just a small part. I'm not stripping the whole car. So I'm trying to fix all the parts, which is the damage on the bonnet, biggest the damage on the bonnet, and it has the couple of small dents this side and that side as well. The only thing is I'm not really sure because the customer doesn't know. He wants to keep the same bumper or change it to the different style. Anyway, so I'm not doing any action on this bumper because still he needs to think about it. But the rest we have to fix and paint it. My plan is paint both sides same time and paint the bonnet, roof and a boot in a different time. The reason that I'm doing is because instead of stripping the bonnet and the boot lid, I'll keep it on the car. It's gonna be more safe when I'm stripping and put it back on, because if I make a mistake, it's gonna be scratch the side. The first and the second one is still be on the car. It works like a stand, so I still have got it on the car and in the right place that I could paint it. For the roof, it's easier to paint it by itself without painting the side, because even if I go in middle of the roof, I have to go close to the body of the car, and I don't like my clothes or the suit stick it to the side of the car when the paint is wet. So it's more safe to paint the side and paint the center part in a different time. After fix all this stuff, I will remove the blinker on both guards. It has the Audi badge, 4-door handles, 2 side mirrors. These gonna be removed and painted separately as well, like the bumper. These parts are only painting separately. Plus, wipers, I will paint them in gloss black. And for better job, I will remove these rubber and the top rubber as well. First of all, I'll remove the grill, because when I'm fixing this, I don't like to damage the grill. dent puller didn't work. I tried different way of the dent puller with the plug, with the sliding hammer, nothing works. I did the hole from the back of the this piece inside the bonnet. Still didn't work. It's really thick. That's the old car. That's really thick. It doesn't work. I put the screw here to pull it out. Still didn't work because it's very small piece and very thick. Anyway, I ended up to cut it as you see and hammer it up to make it straight here and put it back on to re-weld the bottom and the top part. The sides, it's only glue and spray inside to stop the corrosion. And for the last things, put the body filler to make it straight. This is the another big dent here. I'm trying to pull it out with this tool, and when it comes out, apply the body filler and spray the primer same time with the bonnet. There was some small dent on this side and the other side as well. I put the body filler and one by one I sanded to make it smooth. But the rest of the car, especially this side, is the all clear being faded and it's getting matte, and it's really hard to see the dents and imperfection. Um, After this spot sanding and making it smooth, the rest I'm gonna be sanded with the block sanding to find out if there is any more dents left or not. All the part that I put the body filler is already sanded with the 40 grade sandpaper and the pneumatic block. And the next stage, I go over the whole car with the 180 grit. And after the sanding block, I go with the Orbital 6-inch sander and finish it up with 240, 400, 600, and 800. It's make it ready for paint and a primer. The whole side block sanding is finished. I found one more spot here. You can see the different color of this little hole. All right, I quickly covered that, covered the top glasses and top of the doors. Didn't cover the wheels because he doesn't want to use these wheels, and we threw it to the bin and used the different rims. The tires are too old and not really usable. We'll spray the bonnet, two guards, and not hold the side, just the part that I repaired it. So tonight will be primed and back tomorrow or day after tomorrow and do the rest.
Thanks for being part of this journey so far. The repairs are finally complete. And as you're watching now, the primer is going down the foundation of a full transformation. In the next episodes, we'll take this Audi to the next level final prep, paint, and the moment it truly comes back to life. You don't want to miss what's coming. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you next week for the next chapter.